Welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to sell stocks or ETFs on Webull platform using mobile application or desktop computer. This video is a quick follow-up for my previous video about how to buy stock on Webull platform, so you can check that out over here. And as usual, first part will be about how to sell stocks on mobile application, and the second part will be how to sell stock on Webull desktop. I put timestamp into description, so please decide which part of the video you want to watch or watch the entire video. I will do screen sharing so you can follow step-by-step process. A quick follow-up, I have been using Webull for almost 2 months, and I need to be honest here. On the one hand, I was impressed, so that's a great application with many features and capabilities, but on the other hand, as a beginner investor, I was overwhelmed. So it's too much information and you don't know where to go. So that's why I decided to make your life easier and create a simple guide on how to sell stocks or ETF on Webull platform. Please note that your time is very important, so watch this video faster. If you find any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more video for beginner investor. Okay, let's go to our Webull application. You will see my position as a first screen. There are a few options how you can proceed to the screen where you can choose options to sell. So first one is from this position list. So you just need to click which of your positions you want to sell. For example, I want to sell G and W. So let's go click on that one. Next one, you need to click on blue trade button. You will need to enter quickly your password. After that, you will enter screen where you can see the chart when you can cross-check any information. You can choose the type of order, limit, market, stop, auto. Another flow to sell is to click on the Webull button and then go to the bottom of your screen and you can see my position, my order. So you need to make sure it's my position. You can see the same list of your stocks, but here you can see some additional information: number of your stock, price, and how much you made profit or loss. For example, I want to sell again this G and V. I got 30% increase, so I think I want to close with profit, and I click on that one. And you can see a few buttons here. You want to click sell. Once again, you will be redirected to a new screen with all information that you need to make in order to sell your position. So you can see here limit, market, stop, auto. Market one is when you control only quantity. So you choose how many stocks you want to sell, and you choose how long will be your order available and waiting for execution, day or good to cancel. And usually when it goes with market, and if your position is tradable, so it will be seconds to execute at some price. You will cross-check the price when it will be executed. I like the limit because you can control your price and not only quantity. So that's amazing for me. I like this one. So you can see the fluctuation of the stock. You can zoom in and see, okay, I will wait, for example, when it will be 4.67, and I won't have only one. Okay, and I'm ready to wait good to cancel. So it means that you will be waiting for 60 days to have this price. Also, I want to click yes, because this is extended hours. So that's a great opportunity for me to catch a desirable price on pre-market or after hours and sell. Once again, you need to cross-check all your information over here and click confirm. You saw how it bumped in open orders, and now you can see your open order here. The first line G and V, this is what you can see, and change price, for example, or cancel. You can click next to the price and change the price for another one. Also, you can change increments over here. So for example, I want to increment by 5. Let's change it to this one. Firm, quickly pop-up message, and price has been changed. Amazing. So next one, you can cancel for some reason. You decided to wait and not sell. Okay, you click next to your order and click Yes. So that's it. Simple guide how to sell. Thank you so much. If you find any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video about investing for beginners. Okay, let's review how you can sell stocks on Webull desktop. Go to webull.com, then click to the trade. Then you will enter your trade screen. In order to change theme, you can go to the settings and click white to make it easy for you, for example, or black if that's the best way for you to work on desktop. If you don't know how to set up your widget over here, so you can have different tabs for different purposes, and you can mix that one over here in any way. So you can check my video on how to buy stocks on Webull, where I showed how to add widget and how you can set up all of that. Okay, now you need to choose which stock you want to sell. For example, I want to sell Zynga. Okay, click on that one. You need to enter Zynga over here. And now you want to choose which one you want to sell for some reason. Go over here and enter, for example, let's sell GNW. Everything changed. Okay, you want to choose side sell. After that, you want to choose the type of order. Again, you have many of them, so I will review in this video market and limit. If you want me to review some other type of order, please leave a comment and I will create additional video where I will explain how you can use other type of orders. Let's start with market one. In this one, you can control only quantity and that's all. So you can enter one share at market price. You cannot change anything over here, so it will be available only one day. And you will need to unlock, enter your password. After that, you will be able to click place an order. You see some error message over here, and I cannot place an order because currently I am in after hours. But if you place market order type during the trading hours, so it will be executed almost immediately if the volume will be enough to execute your position. Okay, now I will switch to the limit, and this one is my favorite because you can control the price, and that's amazing tool how you can make sure that you sell your position with a profit, because it's very important to sell high and buy low, and this type of order give you such opportunity. Okay, I see that the current price is 4.32 and I want to sell it even more. I am ready to wait some fluctuation and for example want to sell it 4.5. I am ready to wait some time, so you need to choose good to cancel instead of day, because day it will be, you can, for example, if you want to wait only one day for this price, so you can choose day. If you want to wait more, you need to choose GTS, so it means good till cancel. And what does it mean? It means that you will wait up to 60 days to get your price and trigger your execution. Okay, next field is extended hours. You want to choose yes if you want to capture additional hours pre-market and after-market trade, and that's great with limit orders. So you can control price, you can add additional hours, you can place your order, before anytime actually. Yeah, you can place anytime, at night, at morning, anytime, and that's great type of order that I am using. Once you all set, you can cross check once again. So your amount for 0.5 position one stock and cost basis, so it means what is the price that you bought this stock, and this is the free stock. I haven't spent any even penny for that one, but yeah, you see the cost for that one is 3.28. Place an order. Again, you need to cross-check all the information, the number, quantity, and so on, and you see the commissions. That's why I like to use desktop, because you can see some additional information that you cannot see in mobile application. Sell and submitted successfully. You can see that order was added over here, and you can make few action with this order. For example, you decided to modify it and want to change the price, or you want to change the quantity, or you want to change any other option over here. So for example, let's see that, oh, I want to, currently I see the uptrend, and I believe it will hit 4.8, and I change this one, continue, cross check once again, sell, okay, and the price was updated over here, and you can see it is also on the chart, and you can wait for that one. Also, you can cancel your order if you want. You just need to click cancel order and confirm, and that's all. If you find any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video for beginner investor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please also check my other video about investing, and I see you next time.